What happened in the morning was the
I will drink my milk.
first madam. What happened?
The first madam, Wajid Sen. I get this one, the all carpet. I remove all, she remove all the carpet. Then I put there side by side. Then after that, tell madam,
دي انا مسميها بكابوزة.
so we vacuum this one. Okay madam, I will finish all. Then tell madam, you make like this, then kalas sawi uti. Madam, sabar shway. Wahid, only my body is only one. Shway, ana Arab. Then kalas hada, kasala, only this one. I put this one, the vacuum, bus open. Papi, no, bus open. Because madam, go inside. Because if she got to go outside. Wala, really sir. She want to go outside. She want my work finish. That's why I open this one, the vacuum. You go inside, I open kalas. I go in kitchen. So that the kitchen finish. Sura. Wala. And
Madam said, mashallah.
yeah, mashallah, but she didn't know that I'm a magic girl. Wala. Because she tell me, I will go Jennifer. Sura. Yes, madam. You give me 4 hours? Okay, no problem. What time you will finish? What? I don't know, madam. Call Madam Sekina. She call Madam Sekina. Okay, Jennifer, 12 o'clock. I think 11 o'clock I'm finished. Wala. Then after that, sir,
Bilang niya, kasi ang bilang niya, 8. Doon na siya na.
Doon ako nagsimula, B.
8 ka nag-start, 9 ka mag-umpisa, 9,